Good morning, children. Myself, Rajesh Dikruz. I welcome you to the e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy, Betia. Dear students, so we are having Geography Chapter 5, and today we will have Part 3. We are going through minerals and power resources. Today we will learn power and energy resources. So students, today at present the most resource of the energy in the world is coal, petroleum and natural gases. All these are called conventional source of energy. They are exhaustible or non-renewable resources. Exhaustible means it is such a resources which can get finished. It means they are non-renewable. We have to very careful and be justice to use it so that it can be conserved for future use. Children, coal, petroleum and natural gases are minerals of organic origin. They are made from dead plants and animals, so they are called fossil fuels. Now we will see distribution of power resources. We learned conventional resources. Coal, petroleum and natural gas are called conventional resources. They are called so because they have been used for a long time. There are so many such type of resources like coal, crude oil, natural gas, hydropower and uranium rocks. Children, coal, crude oil and natural gas are called fossil fuels. They have been extracted from below the earth's surface and they have made from buried remains of dead plants and animals that lived millions years ago. The crude oil, also called petroleum, is refined to produce numerous fuel products such as petrol, kerosene, aviation fuel and diesel. Children, 2/3 of the petroleum is supplied from the Persian Gulf and surrounding areas. Besides that, Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq and Qatar have the largest reserves. Russia, Venezuela, Mexico, Libya, Nigeria, USA and North Sea are the world's major oil producing countries. Children, the gas which is used as domestic fuel and to generate electricity is natural gas. It occurs in association with petroleum. In the world, petroleum is found in the North Sea from Lincolnshire to Netherlands, Russia, USA and Indonesia. In India, they are found in the offshore oil fields of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. Natural gas is a source of energy for the industries. It has many advantages and gradually its use are increasing. It consists mainly of methane and the other gases like ethane, propane, and butane. It is used as a transport fuel, CNG, or domestic fuel, LPG. Now we will see coal. Coal is found in the layers of sedimentary rocks. There are 4 varieties of coal. The quality varies depending on the carbon content, which varies with time, pressure, and heat that acted on the rocks during the coal formation. Pit is the first stage of coal formation. It is brownish in color. It has a high moisture content and burns with difficulty and emits a lot of smoke. Lignite is the second stage of coal formation. It is brown in color and it has 40 to 60% carbon and plenty of moisture. It is a soft variety of coal. This constitutes 50% of the world's coal reserve. Bituminous is the third stage of coal formation. It is black in color. It has 70 to 80% carbon contents and forms 80% of the available coal variety. Now, and the last and the fourth formation of coal is anthracites. It is very good quality coal with 90% of carbon. It burns without smoke and it contributes 5% of the world's total reserve. Okay children, now the next power resources is hydroelectricity. Earlier, the force of flowing water has been harnessed for grinding grain, but nowadays it has been utilized for generating hydroelectricity. Children, you must know it is a very clean and non-polluting source which gives electricity at the much cheaper cost than other source. Children, electricity comes from hydropower. Many countries has been sustained their industry on hydropower. Example like Brazil, Prague, China and Norway. Now, distributions of hydroelectricity in India. Hydropower is developed and generated by several power plants like Bhakra Nangal, DBC, Hirakund, Rihand, Tugalbhadra, Chambal Kosi, Mahatma Gandhi project situated on Jog Falls and Shishwa Mundram on Kaveri in Karnataka. Now we will see nuclear power plant. Radioactive elements like uranium and thorium release nuclear plants. Children, setting up nuclear power plants is very expensive. Disposal of nuclear waste is a major problem. World distribution of nuclear power plant. USA, some European countries and Japan produce plenty of nuclear power. Now, distribution in India. In Kerala, There are some deposits of elements such as monazite and thorium in the beach. These places are source of nuclear energy and atomic energy. Nuclear power plant is an expensive source of energy. In India, it is located in Kegai in Karnataka, Rana Pratap Sagar near Kota in Rajasthan, Narora in Uttar Pradesh, Tarapur in Maharashtra, and Kalpakhatam in Tamil Nadu. Okay children, this is enough for today. Again we will meet in the next video with the new topics. There is one question for you as a homework. The question is, what are the 4 types of coal? Explain. I repeat, what are the 4 types of coal? Explain. Okay children, thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you. Bye bye.